Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're going to get you dizzy today because there is so much to look at. Yeah, I'm getting myself dizzy. We are here at IAA Insurance Auto Auctions in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we are looking for a tow vehicle and anything else that kind of strikes our fancy. A lot to choose from here in Oklahoma. You don't have to be a dealer. You can check out these cars on the specified days. You can bid even if you're not a dealer. They do have public auctions as well. That's how I buy the cars and trucks you're going to find on the Monkey Wrench Mike channel. I got a couple of good ones. We're going to supersize, and then we're going to shrink it up a little bit on this video. Let's get started. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Kind of looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here's something that Mike needs. Yeah, it looks familiar, doesn't it? Remember the last video I did on the two-door Ford F-150? Yeah, that sold for way too much money. This is the same version, 2012 Ford F-150 STX. Thank you very much. Two-door, not the crew cab or anything else, but she's leaning towards one side, but I think it might be an easy fix. Not the best taken care of truck, as you can see right here, okay? Tires, yeah, they've been rubbed and scrubbed on that one. And we also tried to hide some scratches with some duct tape or electrical tape or whatever this is. Look at this. They're hiding scratches with tape. I would have never noticed that, you know? Of course I would have. Yeah, they should have put some tape on this one too to hide that one. General grabber. This tire's all worn out too. But other than the damage that I'm going to show you, don't know what that is. It looks to be in okay condition. Here's the problem. We lost us a wheel. Yeah, we're missing some parts right here. So we need a fender, a wheel well liner. Oh gosh. Okay. Tie rods, control arm. No, we have the control arms. Strut, kind of, right there. We need the knuckle and everything else. Look at this. Yeah. What's there doesn't look to be too damaged, but it ripped that right out. Oh, now I got grease on my hands. Ugh. Yep, it ripped it right out. The ball joint right there. Holy moly, what did this person hit? I don't know, but I like the truck anyway. Look, they hit another scratch right there. Oh, here's the parts you need. Okay. And you even get a little ladder so you can get up inside and work on the engine. There you go. There's your knuckle, caliper. Ripped that right off, didn't it? There's your ball joint that was missing. Okay, and wow. Okay, this has been, look how hard. Whoa. I don't know what this person hit, but it was bad. Greenleaf Marina. Let's go on the inside and see what she looks like. Okay, more Monster drink stickers. And we got us a scary cow skull right there. Holy moly. Okay. It smells kind of like a doctor's office in here. I don't know what I think about this. That's kind of weird. But the guy liked his Monster drinks, or the girl. No judgment. Wow, they were going so fast, they blew the needle right off of the speedometer. I've never seen that before. The needle is right there. And that's where it goes. Holy moly. Okay, let's see. Is this even going to fit? Sometimes they have these keys so close. So close. Come on. There it goes. Okay. No power. No power. Sugar daddy. Doggone it. This would be a great truck. It'd be an easy fix, I think. Of course, you need to get the wheels aligned. Get the wheel put back on. Let's just kind of see what she's looking like. Oh, I need a step two. That's all bent. It's easy to get out of like this. Much easier with 3 wheels instead of 4. Let's fix this for him. You're welcome. Okay, I think we're missing an engine cover. Battery's seen much, much, much better days. She's dirty. She is dirty. But the damage, there's no damage up here. Yeah, she is really dirty. I wonder if, oh gosh. Okay. We do have oil and it looks good. That's a good sign. Should we try it? Should we really give it a try? Let's do it. We'll be right back. Okay, we got her all powered up. Let's just kind of see what happens now. Here we go. Okay, all kinds of things are on. Volume power off. We have this. Uh-oh, starting system fault. What's that mean? 108,000 miles. Starting system fault. She's not going to do it. Something. Yeah, she's not even trying. So whatever happened has kind of damaged. Yep. Yep. Okay, is it worth the risk? I don't know. It's something isn't talking to the ECU and letting this car start. But other than that, put the wheel back on, buy a wheel and a tire and a knuckle and some black paint to get rid of the tape right here. You'd have a nice truck, but you do need tires. I like the wheels. I do like the wheels. All right, let's move on. If I listened to everything everybody told me, this is what I would be buying. Yep. Especially Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. He says that these cars are good cars. They're very popular. And I don't know what happened to my voice. It just disappeared. I walked up to this car and I got a frog in my throat. That's weird. Hold on. Let me get a drink. Full strength today. All right, now, doesn't have a sticker on it, so I don't know what year it is. I had to go inside and open the door from the other way because this is broken. I guess we got some big speakers in the back. Nice big thick cable right there. This is 5 of 6. 06. With, there you go, right there. Manual transmission. What do you think? And you get a radar detector. Nice. And manual windows. This is as basic as you can get. I don't know why this is all messed up. The seat needs to be replaced. That's horrible. But these are everywhere. Every junkyard has these cars, and this would be so easy to fix. Damage on the outside is kind of everywhere. Grabber, AT, tires. Got a little dent right here. All the scratches right here. Grabber, AT. There is some tread left. This door works. Yeah, so that's a bonus. Need an antenna. So the tires match. That's good. You do get 2 headlights. You're missing your Ford emblem. And you got a lot of condensation right in here. Those are aftermarket. So let's take a look at the inside. I don't know about me driving one of these cars. I just don't know. I had a friend who had one of these, and she loved it. Ooh. Don't push on that as you get in. Woo! Ugh. Ugh. I don't want to know what that is. Okay, we do have a nice radar detector that is glued to the dashboard. Do I get a key? Oh, wait. Ugh. That's a nice sound. Nope. No. There's no key. There's no key for this. You're kidding. I wanted to start it. Well, there you go. I would have bought it if there was a key. Absolutely. No, I wouldn't have. Nope, there's no key. Holy moly. I don't know, how's the clutch? Oh, okay. There's a sexy shot of my leg. Okay, it will go into gear. There you go, 5-speed with, how do you get into reverse? There it is, okay. Nice. Just a little cleaning and she'd be fabulous. But there's really no key. I like the cup holders. Those are cool. What about right in here? Oh, what is that? Ooh. What is that? Oh, that's a phone. Those are 2 phones. You get 2 iPhones when you buy the car. Those are, look how old. Wow. Okay, this car's been nowhere for a long time. Mileage right here, Castro, next service due, 217,000 miles, 12/17 of 21. Well, so she was driving a year ago. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Let's see what's under the hood. Just for giggles. That's the brake. Where's the hood latch? Here it is under here. Okay. There it is. Yep, everyone says these are popular little trucks. Randy says it'll do quite well on my channel. I don't know. Once again, I don't know how to open the hood. Come on, man. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. Little 16 valve 2.3 liter. Taking 5W20. It's a cute little engine. K&N filter. Oh, here you go. Econo power battery. That's a sign of things. Other than that, it looks okay. Just really dirty. Somebody put a K&N filter and was very proud of it. Well, I don't know. You need a hood. You need all kinds of things. See? That's not gonna... Well, maybe. It might. This won't. So, yeah, here we go. 2006-ish Ford Ranger. I just don't know. Lots of work. Lots of work. And I can't really tow with it, but I could put all kinds of crap in the back. Here's something for the young crowd. Yeah, you know by the wheels right there. Some youngster owned this thing. This is a pretty special car. 2014 Ford Focus ST. Yes, turbocharged. 200 and what is it, 47 horsepower, 250 foot-pounds of torque. I'm gonna set this right here on top. You just stay there for a second because I'm not done with you. And you got the fancy wheels and Continental tires on all 4 corners. A little bit of damage on the front. It's not too major though. I really don't think it's too major. This looks to be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. Put it back in here. You need a fender. The hood doesn't look to be too damaged. This is down a little bit. You could just probably pop that right back up. I don't think the frame rail under here is damaged at all, but you will need another rim. Yeah, he hit something, or she hit something pretty good right there. Nice looking wheels. Really nice looking wheels. Other than that, there's no damage. Rock blocks. Love it. On the inside, let's see what she looks like. Nice place to be. No damage here in the backside. The front part of the car looks good too. 6-speed manual transmission. This thing, from what I've read, will get up and go. Yeah, no slouch. Oh, there's power. Oh, good. And I just did that. I just did that to my own Coke. Dadgummit. Okay, sit there. Look how clean. Yeah, she's very clean. And there's power, which means one thing. We got to give her a start. Mileage, I don't know yet. We're going to find out. Special steering wheel. Look at this. That's nice. They got ST everywhere. Oh, wow. Okay. This seat is, you're sitting way back. Okay, let's just see what happens. Do we have the key? I hope so. No key. You're kidding me. Everything is good except no key. Where's the key? Oh, come on. Of all the cars I wanted to see, it was going to be this one. Nice little place for your phone right here. Where would the key be? You do get this. That's great to see. Oh, come on, man. It's not even... Doggone it. I really, really, really was interested in this car. Look at the gauges right there. This is cool. Somebody tall owned this car because I can barely reach it. Holy moly. Doggone it. This kind of upsets me. Let's see what the EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbocharged engine looks like. 90,000 miles, 94,000 miles. Ding, 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 ding. Doggone it. Sometimes I think I should preview the cars more before I record them. Here we go. There it is. Okay. It's tight, but you can see frame rail is not damaged at all. That's just superficial. That's just a fender, maybe a headlight. And the bumper looks like you could salvage it. I think you could. Even the clips on the back end of it are good. This is an easy fix. This is a super easy fix. And somebody checked. This is where that goes over your battery. And once again, ST. Holy moly. Why can't I have the key for this? And they love the car so much they put an air freshener under the hood. Yes. Well, we certainly tried on this one. How fun would it be to have this, to go back and get a manual with some get up and go? Yeah, you could save that bumper. This would be a super, super, super easy fix. Does it say that it has a key? No. Okay, well, doggone it. I love the wheels. I could be styling in this thing. Anyway, we tried. What do you think? Do I look good in a Ford Focus ST? Pew! Yeah, this is a nice car, but I can't start it. So we're going to continue looking. Folks, thank you so much for joining me on these walkarounds. We're back with another one very, very soon. I do want to say thank you to everybody here at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Super friendly staff, and they really do have a lot of cars that you could fix very, very easily should you be so inclined. We're back with another walkaround on another day, and we'll see you then. So bye-bye.